Well, I think the designer should speak. She's done beautiful traditional stuff.
Thank you
Sanjukta?
so much. She is looking strikingly beautiful. I'm very happy.
What do you have to say about Vipasha, about her own song?
Well, it's beautiful. It's these are the colors that I truly love. Being a Bengali, and it's Assam is a neighboring state, and it's beautiful clothes and traditional, and it's I love anything with reds and silk, especially tassar, the way she has used it. Yeah, I loved it. I love dressing up traditional.
Since you're married as well now, so give us a peekaboo into your sari collection. How is it?
Oh, I whack a lot from my mother still. Yeah, mostly are like that, and I have a lot of designer friends. Yes, I love Sabyasachi a lot because also the fact is that our roots are pretty much the same because we are both from Kolkata, and I have known him from the age of like from the time I was a kid. So a lot of Sabyasachis and Anamika also, another designer that I really like.
विभाषा आपके लिए सबसे फैशनेबल थिंग्स क्या है और ट्रेंड्स कितना फॉलो करती हैं?
अरे ट्रेंड्स कितना फॉलो करते हैं, जो ट्रेंड अच्छा लगता है वो फॉलो करते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर ट्रेंड फॉलो करें. सूट भी होना चाहिए. यू शुड बी कंफर्टेबल विद द ट्रेंड ऑल्सो. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉरी.
सबसे फैशनेबल थिंग क्या है?
ऐसी कोई चीज़ सबसे फैशनेबल आप कभी नहीं कह सकते हो. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच एवरीथिंग इट्स अ साइकिल. It comes and goes. Everything is trendy at a time, and then again it changes and comes back after a couple of years. So, मैं तो, whenever like the 70s fashion comes back, I always used to tell my mom, why didn't you save your bell bottoms and all the, fancy jewelry from that time to give us, because they're really, really cool, because I've seen her pictures. The similar things that I wear, she used to wear at some point of time. So things, keep going on and on. And fashion is something which is, it's a combination of style, like trend, comfort, everything all together.
विभाषा
just spoke
करण नहीं
about-
है यहाँ पे, क्या करें?
अरे आज लड़कियों का फैशन शो हुआ.
नहीं, because
करण को मैं
आज
फोटो भेज
आप
दूंगी
दोनों को साथ में देखूं।
नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Vipasha, and you just spoke about
Red, white, black. Yeah.
Vipasha, you just spoke about retro comeback.
Yeah, yeah.
Loving retro fashion.
Yeah.
So, what would be your retro comeback lately?
Well, like I said, I do like the flared jeans. I do like the chokers. But now I think it's just, again, too much. Now it's time for it to go again because everybody is pretty much wearing the same things. Yeah, prints, striking prints, soft silhouettes, those, the peasant blouses. Yeah, I love all of that.
One go-to piece in your wardrobe would be?
Shorts and a white peasant top.
Since you spoke about sari, so if you were to gift your foreigner friend a sari, what fabric would that be and why?
Oh, I would give Banarsi silk maybe. Yeah. Why? Because it's very traditional and it's something that, we Bengalis love our Benaroshi. Yeah, I don't know why, but my mother also loves it. Yeah. Thank you.